To make your WordPress website safe, we have made the custom bot checker plugin. So this plugin automatically block the bot using hybrid JS token JS challenge before the site render. So then log the result in the here. Also we have made this via the AI. So also check this issue. Here we made the enable checker API. Here everything is show, and in the below the recent attack, anything recent attack, you will see this here. So after install the live site, so you can check here the any last 200 attempt here stored here, recent attempt, last attempt, everything you can check here. So best of luck. You can use to make your website, you can use the custom rules in the Cloudflare under attack mode. So this also helpful for you. So you can set up this very easy to use this method. Just go to Cloudflare and enable the under attack mode. So it will be helpful for you.